All right, so we just got this new phone in and we want to protect it because I've heard some horror stories already that people are getting like little micro abrasion scratches. So I want to go ahead day 2 and put this on. This is a UAG Flex Shield Plus for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's Average Tech Guy, and today we're gonna protect our tech. Let's do it. All right, so this is the screen protector box. Now, I already got my device turned off. I got it face down. You want to always make sure you turn it off to eliminate any kind of static electricity so that you don't get a whole lot of dust on your screen. All right, let's see what we got in this box. Get everything out. So first off, you got your instructions in here. This is your whole installation guide. Do not throw this away. You want to keep up with that. All this is like already put together, so you don't have to do a whole lot. We're gonna follow the instructions, but like everything that you need is already ready. And then you get your pack of your little absorbents and all this good stuff. Let's get this open just to see everything that's in here. So here we go. You got alcohol wipe, you got dust removers, and you got guide stickers. You got terry cloth, and you got your squeegee right here in hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look over these instructions. We're gonna come back and we're gonna put this thing on so we can get our stuff. You know, we gotta have it protected. So stay tuned. All right, so first thing I like to do is take alcohol pad. Now this is not a glass screen protector. This is just a film. So just keep that in mind. I may put a glass protector on there. I'm not 100% sure. So here we go. We're gonna clean that bad boy off. And if you have your fingerprint registered, you want to re-register it after you put this on, just so you get maximal accuracy. Wipe that down. And I normally, like on my S devices, I put a film. I rarely put a glass. I probably will end up putting a glass on this one though. And what you're gonna do is just sit that down in that little holder, just like that. Put it in a tray. And then you're gonna peel the inside off. And then what we'll do is we'll just lay it right back down. And it matches up perfectly. And what you'll do is you'll just latch it at the top, like so. Take your squeegee, press from the middle to the edge, and vice versa. Make sure you try to get as many air bubbles all the way out as you can on both ends. Once you got that like you want it, last step is we're going to take this blue piece and we are going to lift it. And what we're going to do, we're going to take it off those little notches. There's 2 little notches up top, and peel that bad boy back like that. We're going to smooth out any little air bubbles that kind of hang out. And the good thing about this squeegee is it's a soft microfiber side, and then it's a hard side. So one side is soft, the other side hard. And we're just gonna smooth it out. Smooth it out. Work it, work it, work it. All right. Okay. Now, remember, once again, once you have done this, once you've been through these steps, you want to go back and re-register your fingerprint, just because you don't want any issues. And you can go on and turn on the extra touch sensitivity. That will help. Let's turn the phone back on and let's check out the clarity on this, because it shouldn't be an issue with clarity. And we didn't even use the dust absorber. Like, I think once you clean it and you kind of sit it down in that little holder, if you're not in a room that's prone to a lot of dust, you should be okay. But I do keep up with these. Like, who else? Let me know in the comments below who keeps these, because I got a whole like box of little squeegee like things. And I do keep up with these other pieces. Like some companies send this little grip. So if you ever have to put your phone down on the table, it won't slide. I always keep up with these. They come in handy. This phone takes a long time to come on. I don't know what's going on. That's crazy. Like we legit been waiting 40 seconds for this to come on. All right, it's doing its thing, optimizing the apps. It takes a long time. Maybe I need to do like a startup test. I didn't even remember it taking this long to come on. None of this video is being cut either. That's crazy. Like I literally turned it off like 10 minutes ago. All right, so let me drop that screen brightness down. All right, let's get this open. All right, now it's still starting up. So this whole startup process has been like a minute or so. But I don't see any issues with clarity. Touch looks good. I'll turn it off, I'll turn it back on, and yeah, you're gonna have to re-register that fingerprint because it's not working like 100% like it used to. So just go in and re-register it. Any air bubbles that are left behind, they should work themselves out in like a day or so. And I'm gonna try this film out. I may end up swapping the glass. This is a very expensive device. So, but for right now, I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. We're gonna let this hang out on here for about a day or so before we put a case on it. And I'll probably do a short just to show you guys like a little update of how it's gonna look with cases on it. And if cases do actually interfere with it, make it bubble up on the edges. But yeah, we still got a few little bubbles hanging out. Like I said, those should resolve themselves in a couple of days. I'll do all of that update stuff in a short or something just to let you guys know. But hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Once again, this is the UAG Flex Shield Plus. It is a film, not a glass. And hopefully you guys go by and check it out. I'll drop a link below so you can do that. But until next time, Average Tech out. Peace.